Hello, Audible here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Audible app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go to the Play Store, search bar, find your Audible app right there, click and check if you have the newest version like me. If you have the newest version after you update, the update bar should pop out here if you have the available update. And after you update it and still get some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the settings, scroll a little down, more, apps, search bar, Audible, right there, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow them all, like here. Microphone, while using the app, and the rest also. And go up to Wi-Fi usage. Data, unrestricted mobile data usage, that means you have no limit on usage your mobile data on this app. After you do this and still have some issues, I'm gonna show you last and easiest way. So the last easiest way is go to the Play Store, back, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues and problems. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.